Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to diversify your income and make some extra cash without working 24/7, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm breaking down 5 legitimate side hustles that can help you generate passive income, money you make while you sleep. Whether you're working a 9 to 5 or hustling as an entrepreneur, passive income can be a game changer in achieving financial freedom. So, let's jump right into it. All right, side hustle number 1 is for all the creatives out there, creating and selling digital products. Digital products can include anything from ebooks, online courses, photography presets, templates, or even music and stock footage. What makes them so powerful for passive income is that once you create them, you can sell them over and over again without much extra effort. And because they're digital, there are no production costs or shipping fees, making it a highly scalable business model. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. You do this by sharing a unique referral link to a product, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. What's great about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create a product. You're essentially recommending products that you believe in, and in return, you get paid for any sales that result from your recommendations. You can do affiliate marketing through blogs, YouTube channels, Instagram, or even a podcast. Investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that regularly pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. The idea is to buy stock in well-established companies that pay dividends, and over time, these payments become a steady source of income. Dividend investing is one of the most tried and true ways to build passive income. It requires an initial investment, but once you own shares, you'll receive regular dividend payments. With time, you can reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, which compounds your earnings. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in real estate without needing a large sum of money up front. Through platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul, you can invest in properties alongside other investors and you earn a share of the profits. This side hustle is great because you can get into the real estate market without needing to purchase and manage a property yourself. The platform handles all the details, acquiring, managing, and sometimes even selling the properties, while you earn a portion of the rental income or appreciation. Licensing your photography or artwork. If you have a knack for photography, illustration, or design, you can license your work and earn passive income every time someone uses it. Companies, bloggers, and marketers are always looking for high-quality images or designs for their websites, products, and ads. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Redbubble allow creators to upload their work and get paid each time it's downloaded or used. Once you've uploaded your content, it can keep earning money for years without any extra effort. So, there you have it. 5 legitimate side hustles that can generate passive income. Whether you're creating digital products, investing in dividend stocks, or getting into real estate, these side hustles offer fantastic opportunities to build a steady stream of income.